Hi, my name is Al. I'm a landscaping contractor. Maintenance is a critical part of our business. I remember back in the day when you had to physically keep a notebook with how many hours since the last service on multiple machines, the fluids and that sort of stuff. We're glad we choose the telematics feature. It is really for me the big thing with our Kubota track loaders. The geofencing capability allows me to set a virtual perimeter on the job site. A notification is sent informing me if the equipment was moved. On a Kubota track loader, going from pallet forks to a bucket is just super simple. Used to, the operator would have to get out and pull the levers, and it was just a pain. They wouldn't switch attachments like they should because they didn't want to have to get out and bust their knuckles up. One of the greatest things on the SVL75 is not having to get in and out of the track loader to change attachments. You just press the button and they release, you go to your next attachment, pull the other one and go back to work. The SVL75s are our most versatile pieces of equipment. We can do a lot of jobs with them. These are some of the reasons we prefer Kubota equipment for our operation.